If you find yourself unable to access your Bank of America account and do not have verification codes, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Bank of America website. Go to the official Bank of America website using a secure browser. Look for the sign-in option on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot ID/password. Once you are on the sign-in page, click on the Forgot ID/password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information such as your name, social security number, and date of birth. Make sure the information matches what is on file with Bank of America. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. If you do not have access to verification codes, select alternative recovery options. This may include answering security questions or receiving a one-time passcode via mail. Step 5. Follow the instructions provided. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Bank of America account. If you continue to experience issues, consider contacting Bank of America customer support for further assistance.